3. Okay, next. Spell 8. 8. Oh, no, 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 no. Why do you use your hand? Come on, 8. 8. Okay, what's next letter?
Last na lang yun.
No, 2 more letters. E-I-G. What's next to G? You lack 1 letter between G and T.
Ano yun?
You're missing 1 letter between G and T. 8 is E-I-G. Yes, then another letter, then T. Oh. You're missing 1 letter between G and T. Yes. Oh. Oh, what's next to G? E-I-G. No, that would be agate. 8. Look at me. 8. 8.
May pagod.
Oh.
So, that is H.
Okay, very good. Okay? Yes, it is. Now, write 8 again. Oh, what's between I and H? What's silent between I and H? E-I?
I'm not writing.
Okay, that's E-I-G-H. Okay, last. Erase that. Erase. Again, write the word 8. Okay? Very good.
This?
Yeah, thumbs up. Okay.